Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you set out to buy a snow plow attachment for your truck, it may cost you anywhere from $750 to $1,500. You must also add the cost of incidental repairs, maintenance and gas to the initial investment. And you need some expertise to clear snow from a driveway using a plow.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
One of the most common vehicle problems encountered while plowing is damage to the transmission. Overheating the transmission fluid as well as improper use can contribute to the problem. Keep the following tips in mind when heading out on your next snow plowing run to minimize damage to your plow truck's transmission.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The bigger the plow, the heavier it is. For commercial work, since you will probably require a larger plow, you will need at least a 3/4 ton pickup truck whose FGAWR can handle the weight of larger plows. For personal plow use, a 1/2 ton truck, or in some cases even smaller, should be ample for your needs.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The Super Duty trucks feature best-in-class plow ratings for the gasoline and diesel engine segments. Ford Super Duty pickups are not the only trucks with special models available, as I found when I checked out the 2020 Ford F-150 Police Responder package.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.